far, we've learned about the water cycle and how water can be collected in places called watersheds. As cities have expanded in recent years, we've built lots of roads and buildings and sidewalks, which all have hard surfaces that aren't very good at absorbing water. Also, climate change is causing the amount of rainfall to increase. So when we have storms, where can the water go? Luckily, organizations in New Haven have partnered up to build bioswales, which are small areas of soil with lots of plants that can capture and filter water that flows down the street when it rains. You can find them on sidewalks next to the curb so that when rainwater or polluted water runs off into the streets, instead of traveling further or causing floods, it gets redirected into the soil where plants can filter the water to clean it and use it to grow. So it's a win-win situation for people and for the planet.
Bioswales are usually on sidewalks, with a gap between the sidewalk and the road, which allows rainwater to enter. New Haven's bioswales help reduce water pollution, creating a more healthy environment for humans, plants, and animals alike. When stormwater collects on hard surfaces and cannot absorb, it picks up materials like sediment and heavy metals. If the water which contains these materials does not get absorbed into a bioswale, it typically ends up in a sewer system, where it gets mixed in with human waste. Each year, around 257 million gallons of this polluted water eventually gets released into the Long Island Sound, harming the plants and animals that live there. However, as the New Haven community continues to build new bioswales, we can reduce the amount of water pollution. On average, bioswales capture over half the dirty water that collects on the street after storms. Beyond being more sustainable than typical sewers, bioswales are also more cost-effective, which is part of why they are beneficial for everyone. They take less of our resources to build, and they reduce our negative impact on the environment around us. Polluted stormwater enters through an inlet. Overflow enters through there.
As the water moves down into the earth, it gets filtered. The plants then absorb the water, then return it to the atmosphere.